One more question from application of trigonometry has been tested in board exam. The question says that the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. So let's make uh, a base, and here I'm making the aeroplane first, whose position is, say, for example, A here. This is A be the position of the aeroplane and its height vertically. B is the point on the ground, and let's say P is the point of observation from which the angle of elevation. So let's say what it says further. After a flight of over here, first we should make the angle of elevation, which is 30 degree, sorry, 60 degree in this case. So let's make an angle of elevation as it is given in the question, and that is 60 degree. Now, after that, it says that after 30 seconds, right? After 30 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 30 degree. That means the aeroplane actually is moving in the other side of point of observation. That means it is moving in this direction, right? It is here and then it is moving in this direction. And after a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation now changes to 30 degrees. So next is, this is the new angle of elevation. I should first make a vertical line touching the ground. All right. So the new angle of elevation here changes. This one is 30 degree. Say AB and CD will remain same as the height of the plane is same throughout. As you can see, it is mentioned as 3000 root 3 meter. So I can write this as 3000 root 3. So same will be the CD, right? This AB as well as CD is 3000 root 3 meter, right? So what we have to find out is the speed of the plane. As you can see, we have to find the speed of the plane. We get the speed of the plane. So clearly speed is calculated. Speed is equal to distance over time. So distance, as you can see, is AC, or you can take AC or BD, is all same. And the time is mentioned as 30 seconds. Time is 30 seconds. So that means we need the length of BD. And as you can see, we can get the length of BD if we first get the length of PD, from which we are going to subtract the length of PB. Now, we'll start with any right angle triangle. Let's say I start with triangle PCD, right? PCD is a right angle triangle, and we'll apply tan 30 degree. As you can see, this is tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is CD and the base is PD. So tan 30, whose value is 1 by root 3. So I can replace it CD, which is mentioned here as 3000 root 3. And the length of PD is what we have to get. Now, what next? We will do cross multiplication. On cross multiplication, we'll get PD is equal to 3000 root 3 multiplied by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So the length of PD will be 9000 meter. Now, once we got the length of PD, next we are going to get the length of PB. For that, as you can see in the figure, we'll be considering this the triangle ABP. So in triangle ABP, we'll be taking tan 60 degree as it is given in the figure is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular this time is AB and the base is PB. Tan 30, whose value is root 3, and AB, which is mentioned in the question, as 3000 root 3, right? It is 3000 root 3, that divided by PB. Now, by cross multiplication, we'll get PB is equal to 3000 root 3, that divided by root 3. So this get cancelled. So we got PB as 3000 meter. Now, once we got the length of PB, as I said in the beginning, we'll be getting the length of BD, which is PB minus, sorry, PD minus PB. It is PB minus PD. So the length of PB is 9,000 and PD is 3,000. So finally, the length of BD will be 6,000 meter. Now, as I said in the beginning that we have to get the speed, and speed is equal to distance upon time. So in this case, the distance we have already calculated and the time is already given to us. So at the end, we'll simply write speed is equal to distance over time, distance which is 6,000 meter and the time which is 30 seconds. It is given here 30 seconds. The time over here is 30 seconds. So we can say these zeros get cancelled with 200 times. So 200 meter per second should be the distance covered. And that is the, speed, right? We have to calculate the speed. So the speed is equal to 200 meter per second.